Okay, we're going to try a hairdryer glycerin smoke test. Here, see how this goes. Cool, it actually works. Okay, just did the first smoke test, literally. It actually seems to work. And it kind of stays around unless there's a breeze or air flowing, which there will be outside. So this test involves just an El Cheapo hairdryer off of Amazon. I think this is like $10 or something. I've taken it apart and put cotton in the heating element and then loaded it up with some vegetable glycerin. And that works really well. So I will go ahead and finish the instructions that I found, which are to drill some holes, put a tube through the body, and then use this syringe to load the cotton strips with more glycerin. Cool. Okay, it looks like low heat, low speed does not have enough heat to make the smoke, whereas a high heat did. So on the custom smoke machine, I don't think I'm going to put the plastic tubes to the syringe. I'm just going to drill holes in the side of the hairdryer, and I actually have 4 strips. I wasn't sure how many I would need or which angle was best, so I put 4 in there. There were some electrical contacts down in, or heat sensors or something down in some of these, so I skipped a couple and just put them in the ones that appeared to be empty. But all that to say, now I'm not sure which ones I'll end up using, or if even one is enough, maybe. So I just drilled a couple of holes that will drain into any of these cotton strips, and then I'm just going to use a syringe and just kind of, squirt some glycerin down into whichever holes I'm using. That way it'll also allow me to kind of rotate this. I'm not exactly sure which way I'm going to mount it. I think I probably want it pointing upwards a little bit, but I'm not sure yet. Okay, I got the cover or the handle screwed back on. Now I'm just going to mount this thing on a couple of pieces of wood, just so that I can point it up in the air, hands free, and it won't roll around. Okay, time for a smoke test, a literal smoke test. We got the hairdryer set up here. Yep, it's kicking out smoke. I think this is working. So I don't think I even need that wooden stand. I'm just gonna lay it down here. The only issue with no tube is if I overfill it, it kind of leaks out all over the place. So I should either run it till it's dry or put less in, or put it in a tray to catch the runoff, probably. Other than that, it worked great.